Hi, now today I'm gonna talk about food diaries. Now, food diaries are very important for someone like me. Maybe I want to lose a couple pounds or kilos or something like that. So usually I keep a food diary. Now, a food diary is a place where maybe on a notebook or on a document on the computer where I write what I eat every single day, from breakfast, snacks, lunch, snack, dinner, maybe midnight snack, whatever I eat. Now, usually my normal food diary is maybe in the morning for breakfast, I have maybe eggs with ham and a little bit of cheese. And also for lunch, maybe have an apple and a salad. And then for dinner, if I want to treat myself, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese with maybe some orange juice and a little bit of water. So please, if you have the chance, have a food diary. It's very fun. You get to write down all the things you've eaten in the whole day. So thank you. Bye.